Agulio chengi rijak chennai ni MGM healthcare hakotur ni kabangma munganang saknaikol korongrok hasteo phaiwi hasteni sakham ye rogno kaham shebrina naharmung twiwi na IGM sakhamno ganawa o healthcare no phiyokgwi rijak fashelo kaisa kokthum panda khwlaiwi joto kogrono srai ke sakha MGM healthcare ni adong ro khorsate khwlaiwi MGM healthcare angka JCI ni goshmang manjak tertiary care multi super specialty hospital Tabok Agulio khowai hasteni kabangma thaibo tongkosong lukorok chennai ni MGM healthcare clinic ni bisingti ke dalbidal ni sakhamni sep nahari manai o clinico busak sakrumani tei bekereng ni kabangma bemar no twiwi naikol jaknai kokthum panda khwlaiwi joto kogrona sawi khanarika MGM healthcare ni adongro
We care for patients who travel. We want to keep it more organized and structured for people to have care, and continued care would be made available in terms of follow-up visits. So I'm a cancer surgeon, and anywhere in this world in this 2024 we see cancer becoming more and more of a problem. And often I say, when diagnosed with cancer, the first treatment is always the best treatment. So we would like to extend our expertise and across the country. We have had people coming over, but we would like to say that take the chance to come and seek attention and even for workup and the initial treatment at the initial stages. Later on, we can facilitate continued care at your local place with your interacting with your physicians. People from our institution would take turns to come over and have make sure that follow-up is not missed out. So the world is moving at a very rapid pace. So, and only way that Northeast can, till the time that facilities and infrastructure becomes available easily across the country, we need to, right now travel infrastructure is well established, and laboratory services and other healthcare facilities are there. So for specialized cutting-edge surgery, the initial diagnosis and treatment, we extend our welcome to our people and friends from Northeast.
Asalni kokthum panda manjaka MGM healthcare ni advanced spine surgery bedek ni sagnai kolnai senior consultant coronakar spine surgery bedek ni sagnai kolnai Dr. Balaji Vaishyav senior consultant surgical oncologist Dr. Ram Ganesmoni te MGM healthcare marketing manager Sutasu Mukherjee Akosong Bureau Report Kokthum